Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe update today, and we still have Pepe with inverse head and shoulder. It's now extending even a little bit more. We clearly have the left shoulder, the head here, the right shoulder right over there. So this week, especially with how last week ended, our previous weekly candle had an amazing closing, right? So here it is. If I do show you right here right now, so we have 5 days to close this weekly candle, and so far it's doing pretty good. So last week we ended up with a bullish harami, which is actually a candlestick pattern to reverse the prices to the upside. So this week alone I really expect a nice good positive green closing in the next 5 days. Now also keep in mind that today is a good day in crypto. Wednesdays are good, amazing. Thursdays are also good, Fridays are also amazing. So we could be expecting to see Pepe probably even today start to push up even to 800 level, 900, and by Friday or Saturday, Sunday we actually get to see 1001. So this technical target is quite possible, very high likely that it's going to be met sooner or later. So it has been down, the market has been down, we are really oversold here. We have bullish divergences appearing on the RSI as well, and the patterns are also you see so far this is what I noticed: bullish harami closing on the weekly, and then we have inverse head and shoulders pattern on the 4-hour time frame as I showed you here. So all these things, right, bullish divergences as well. So all these things are combining together. It's just piece by piece coming into form to give you a whole picture, and that's the whole purpose of action, price action. The price action is the language of a trader, and if you have to understand this thing, going on with your emotions and thinking that just because you dumped all the way down it's not going to be good, it just doesn't make sense. That's just emotional trading, and as far as you're an emotional trader, you're never going to be successful in this thing. One more thing is that this was a good try. This trend line was a good try. We broke below the trend line, we retested, we failed, and then we went to the downside. Now the thing is that this is another trend line, another support that you have with so many clues of reversal to the upside. And by the way, just look at, you don't even need to get to so many details. Anything that actually goes down 81% actually just tells you it's cheap, it's a discount, right? You don't even really need a TA, you don't even need to be an expert. If I was a beginner, I definitely know, even when I started crypto and I heard, okay, we have 90% discount, we have 84% discount, even I will listen to 60%, 64% discount at least, and I will understand that yes, we have a great opportunity ahead of us. Now one thing about this inverse head and shoulder before I close the video is that it has not broken just yet, right? It has not broken. So the pattern is still there, but it hasn't broken. But one thing that is so good about Pepe is that there's this trend line since we're talking about since 18th of January. So you've had a continuous downtrend here with one rejection, you had another rejection here, a very small tiny rejection, but you have broken and retested that trend line. So even if you were to fall down again, you can actually even fall to 619, retest the trend line, and even have the possibility to move up to 2048 in the future. So that's one very good solid thing that I noticed. Another thing is that you're trying to make a bull crossover of these RSI on the 4-hour time frame, but you can see it's lagging a little bit. It's lagging. It's trying to maintain above, but what I can do here is I can extend this trend line and also extend these EMAs as well. And now that I've extended the EMAs, we now have time until 20th of March, actually tomorrow, to see another break. And if you start to break like this, have the EMAs together, break above, retest the inverse head and shoulders, you have good chances of hitting 1004 until 22nd of March. It's very possible. That's all for the video. And by the way, April and Q2 entries are opened up on the private. If you want to be a part of it, message me on Discord to join, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.